Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Before we begin today's video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my video, you get the notification. So, you must have seen my previous videos, and all previous videos are about watercolors, but today's video is acrylics on canvas, and this is my first attempt with acrylics. And I won't be guiding you step by step, but I'm here to talk to you today just how my first experience with acrylics went. So before I had really tried acrylics, I had that gut feeling in me that I will be able to do better with acrylics. So I decided to give it a try. And the topic that I chose today to paint is reflection. I'll be painting a tree and its reflection in water. You can also call this painting a mirror painting. After trying this very painting, I found out that I'm really good at blending colors. You can see I've made the sky with Persian blue, cobalt, and titanium white. I think I've blended them very well. What do you think? Share your views on this painting in the comments below. I would really appreciate your comments. Being a self taught artist, I haven't learned these techniques from anywhere, but I do watch other artists how they paint. I create my own unique style of painting. I also observe everything around me. I watch how the light is reflected by the objects, the shadows, the contrast, and the highlights. Very key to become a successful artist is to keep practicing on your techniques to become a perfect artist. And I don't think perfect is the right word, but till you are satisfied. The more you practice, the more you will learn, and one day you'll become perfect and satisfied. I don't think I'll be satisfied. Anyways, I'll keep practicing. So here we are. I've created a sky above horizon, and below the horizon is the reflection. So what do you think? From now on, I'll be uploading more of my acrylic paintings. I'll be creating a new category in my channel about acrylic paintings. And or if you are an acrylic painter, do subscribe to my channel. And you can also share my video with your friends and family and all the art lovers around you. The one thing that I found difficult while painting with acrylics is that acrylics dry very quickly, and you have to be very quick with your painting technique. You have to very quickly work on your blendings. And the other thing that I loved about acrylics is that I really loved blending. So I'm happy with my painting today. Do share your comments, your suggestions in the comments below. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So go find me and follow me there. and I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Until then, keep painting.